Paperboat came to us with a brief to market their Prebiotic Soda. And we brewed the brief by creating burping zones on the Church Street in Bangalore. Let's see what happens.
Take a couple of sips of our prebiotic soda. If you go beyond 90 decibels on the meter, you win a gift hamper from our side. Alright? Okay. Sweet!
Okay, try again. It's very good.
It's very good. Let me tell you, the drink is very nice.
Yes.
It has a proper taste. Proper, it's very refreshing.
It's really good. The flavor is really nice. It tastes very natural.
If they could up the caffeine in this, then they're probably.
42 mg of caffeine.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, then I would probably replace it.
Really can't tell that it's prebiotic. It's really good, yeah.